Wednesday morning, and journalist Jacque Maribe and her fiancé Joseph Irungu, alias Joey, made their way to the High Court for their bail hearing in the case concerning the murder of businesswoman Monica Kimani. Appearing before Justice James Wakiaga, Maribe and Irungu were forced to take a fresh plea after the prosecution amended the charge sheet to include other suspects not before court in connection with the murder case.
On our part,
The accused, through their lawyer, said they are law-abiding citizens ready to adhere to the orders of the court if granted bail.
The moment an accused person is brought to court, the presumption should be that the investigations are complete, that they have a case and it is ready to proceed. If the investigations are ongoing, then, my lord, what are we doing in court today? And therefore, they should not use this as a trump card to always come and ask for a fundamental right of an accused person to be denied bail because investigations are ongoing. Do we have a time limit?
Material must be placed before you showing that indeed the second accused person has by direct or indirect means attempted to contact the witnesses.
The defense also discredited allegations that the couple is highly connected and could interfere and intimidate witnesses if freed.
My client indeed had an opportunity to interfere with witnesses if she was inclined to interfere with them. She had a window of 19 days from the 19th of September to the 29th. 10 days. The fact that she did not, my lord, we pray you do find in the exercise of your discretion that you do find that indeed her predisposition is that she is the responsible person that she says in her affidavit. She believes in the rule of law.
If the prosecution say investigations are going on and we are saying we are not interfering, then what do they need to do? They needed to put some material in front of you today to show you that the accused person has attempted to even interfere with investigations. Not today, but even previously. So that this does not remain as an assumption, but becomes a fact.
However, in its submission, the prosecution opposed their release, arguing that with the investigation still underway, a key witness who has been identified could be compromised.
Your Lordship, we have identified the key prosecution witnesses in our affidavit. And we submit that these key prosecution witnesses are persons who can be intimidated by the two accused persons. We submit that the accused persons are persons of influence vis-a-vis the key prosecution witnesses. Your Lordship, and if they are released, there is a high possibility that they will interfere or intimidate them.
The state further adduced that as a result of the nature of his work, Joseph Irungu, whom they claim has not been cooperating with the police, is a flight risk.
Under the probation report, indicates that his nature of work has made him travel to numerous countries in the Middle East, including Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Afghanistan, and Syria. Your Lordship, this is a person of means who travels out of the country, and there is a high possibility that if he's released, Your Lordship, he will go and leave the country.
Justice James Wakiaga ordered the two to be detained at the Industrial Area Prison and Langata Women Prison respectively until 30th October, when their bail application will be considered by the court, despite a plea for earlier date by the defense lawyers. Earlier, Justice Wakiaga expunged from court records an application by a non-governmental organization dubbed Empowering Africa Through Media, which sought to be enjoined in the case. Ben Chumba, reporting for Channel 1 News Hour.